Okay, uh, now in this video lecture we will be learning about the midpoint circle drawing algorithm, and in this approach the midpoint of the two possible pixels is taken up to evaluate a parametric equation, which is f of circle xy will be given by the x square plus y square minus r square, where r square is the radius. So if you see in the diagram, the red pixel is the current pixel which you have plotted, say xy, and the kth pixel, if we have plotted, then we are to identify which is the k plus 1th pixel. Either it will be eastern pixel whose coordinates are xk plus 1 comma yk, or the southeastern pixel which is xk plus 1 comma yk minus 1. So in this approach what we do is we take the midpoint between these two, which is xk plus 1 comma yk minus half. Now at this point, midpoint, what we do is we evaluate the value of the parametric function f of xy. So f of circle m, that is f of circle xk plus 1 comma yk minus half, is evaluated according to this, which will be equal to xk plus 1 whole square plus yk minus half whole square minus r square. So this is equation number 1. Now if this value of f of circle m less than 0, this means that m is lying inside the circle. If it is equal to 0, then it will mean that the midpoint of the two pixels is exactly on the circle, and if it is greater than 0, then m lies outside the circle. Now out of these points what we can do is we can choose, अगर m लेस देन 0 है तो हम जो है अंदर की तरफ पॉइंट m है, तो इसका मतलब हमें बाहर का पॉइंट e जो है उसे प्लॉट करना चाहिए. अगर हमारा f ऑफ सर्कल जो है वो इक्वल टू 0 आ जाता है, तो हमें जो है कोई भी दोनों में से कोई भी पॉइंट आप चुन सकते हैं. आप ईस्टर्न पॉइंट पिक्सल चुन लें या साउथ ईस्टर्न पिक्सल चुन लें, और अगर m ग्रेटर देन 0 आता है तो उस केस में आपको पास वाला जो है साउथ ईस्टर्न पिक्सल जो है उसको प्लॉट करना चाहिए. सो दिस बिकम्स द डिसीजन पैरामीटर pk. Now if you have chosen the e as the pixel, as the k plus 1 pixel, then the next pixel can be a choice between the e dash and the se dash, whose coordinates I have written out in the notes. Now this can be done again by using the evaluation of the decision parameter pk plus 1, which will be given by xk plus 1 plus 1 whole square plus yk plus 1 minus half whole square minus r square. That is the equation number 2. Now if you have the 2 minus 1, equation number 2 minus 1 will give you pk plus 1 minus pk will be equal to some subtractions which you need to evaluate. But in this case, if e was chosen as the k plus 1th pixel, then the value of xk plus 1 was actually xk plus 1, and the value of yk plus 1 was actually yk. So the right hand side terms are 0, and therefore only the terms will be remaining will be one from obtained from the first parenthesis. So it will be equal to, when you will be evaluating the squares, what you can do is you can check it out that it evaluates to 2 into xk plus 1 plus 1, or if you evaluate in the terms of the previous value of x, it will be 2 into xk plus 3. So these are the squared bracketed values which you get in the pink boxes. Now if k plus 1th pixel is the southeastern pixel, then xk plus 1 is xk plus 1, and yk plus 1 will be given by yk minus 1, because it was the southeastern pixel. So therefore we can have is pk plus 1 minus pk will be given by the first term will be same as evaluated in the previous diagram, in the previous evaluations, and the right hand side will be, the right hand side terms will be evaluated only when you expand the entire mathematical expression. Now if you expand this, you get the terms which are related to the yk, and other terms will nullify. So I have identified by underlining single line, double line, and the curved line, snake line. So what you have left with is that pk plus 1 will be given by purana pk plus 2xk plus 2yk plus 5, if you take the x and y values as the k plus 1th pixel, kth pixel, sorry. So if you take the k plus 1th pixel, the pk plus 1 will be equal to the pk plus 2x of the k plus 1th value and 2y k plus 1th value plus 1. So these are the terms which you need to remember if you want to have the midpoint circle algorithm. So let us now write down the uh, first value of p, that is p naught. So the first pixel which you need to plot for the given circle of radius r is 0 comma r. Now here r should be smaller r. So the midpoint to the first point will be 1 comma r minus 1 by 2. So it is the midpoint will be 1 comma r minus 1 by 2, and therefore if you evaluate the value of p naught, so the value of p naught will be given by f of circle of 1 comma r minus half, f of circle 1 comma r minus 1 by 2, and it is equal to what? It is equal to p naught. So the value of p naught will be given by 1 square plus r minus half whole square minus r square. So these will be the terms. If you expand all the mathematical expressions, what you are left with is, after some mathematical computations and simplifications, you will get the value of p naught will be 5 by 4 minus r, which can be equated to 1 minus r in some of the terms, but here we will not be getting up into 1 minus r. So we will be taking up p naught as 5 by 4 minus r. So p naught takes a floating point value. Fine. So this can be equivalent to 1 minus r in special cases. We will discuss in the next of the videos why we have taken up this value. But otherwise what you can do is, now you can have a writing down of the midpoint circle drawing algorithm. Let us now try to write down that algorithm now. I hope you are able to understand up till now. Now let us take the algorithm. So the midpoint circle drawing algorithm will take the inputs as the integer xc, integer yc, and the integer r. So these are 3 points which you will need to have. Now what I do is I set the value of x is equal to 0, y is equal to r, and p naught is equal to 5 by 4 minus r. Now while loop will be repeated for x less than equal to y, and the steps we will be writing out later on. We call the 8-way symmetry for xy, xc, yc, and r. Then increment the value of x to x plus 1. No, we will not be doing the step number 4 because we will not need the updated value of x. So point 4 will be, if p is less than 0, you select the point E. That means x has to be updated, but y not. But p and p value will be evaluated as p plus 2x plus 3. In case of p positive or 0, we evaluate the value of p as p plus 2x minus 2y plus 5, and increment the value of y is equal to y plus 1. And after this, if we increment the value of x. So this is the end of while loop. On the other way around, if you see the right hand side of the algorithm, you will find those values which will be used only after the updation of x and y components. So if you update the x and y components, you will have the x is equal to x plus 1 in step number 4, and step number 5 will be, if p is less than 0, then set p is equal to p plus 2x plus 1, else y is equal to y minus 1, and the updated value of p. So in this way you get the entire algorithm of the midpoint circle drawing algorithm. So I hope that you have able to understand well. Thank you very much.